My name is Mark Wright. I'm Executive Head Chef for Sodexo. I oversee the catering for a large and a medium B&I site based in Brighton. Today I'm making a cauliflower shawarma, and that's going to be baked with chickpeas and served with a green tahini sauce, harissa, pomegranates, and with some lovely homemade flatbreads. And this dish we're using a Knorr Professional powder. This bouillon is perfect for this recipe because it has no allergens to declare. It's fantastic to scale up, and it really imparts good flavour into the cauliflower, and it really complements the flavours in the dish. Okay, I'm going to blanch the whole cauliflowers in Knorr Professional powder for about 5 minutes just to impart some of that flavour into it. And then once I've drained them, I'll let them steam for a bit and then cover them in the spice butter. I'm going to roast that in the oven for about 20 minutes at 220 degrees, and then going to remove some of the stalks and then char it under the grill for another 5–10 minutes. Okay, for the green tahini, I'm going to blitz up some tahini at room temperature with some fresh coriander, garlic and lemon, and a little bit of cold water to let it down. I'm going to serve these with a really easy flatbread that's equal amounts of flour, yogurt and a teaspoon of baking powder with some freshly chopped coriander. And then just going to pan fry them for a few minutes on each side on a really hot pan. So I'm just going to serve that with some nice fresh leaves, pomegranate seeds, fresh mint, fresh coriander and a little bit of rose harissa paste. I'm also serving this with chickpeas, which is a future 50 ingredient. So this is a really easy dish to use for something like a street food stall that we'd have as a pop-up in the restaurant. And it's fantastic to scale up to 200 to 300 people as well, just how easy it is to make.